everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am setting up my planner for February. This is the only planner I need to set up in this video. In the past, I used to set up my social media planner, but I don't need to do that anymore because I'm using a different layout and I don't have to change things up. So this video might be shorter than normal if you watch my setup videos, but I'm going to talk through a little bit more my ideas for spreads, and also I want your opinion on a spread, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So first though, I want to do what I normally do, which is pre-plan my monthly section here and just put down any plans that I have for the month that I already know. I usually try to plan things out ahead because I'm a planner, but yeah, I usually like to have an idea of what my month's gonna look like when I agree to plans before I get to this point. So yeah, that's what I plan on doing here. Not a lot going on for me this month, so I'm just going to take some little sticky notes. I think I want to take these pink ones since it's February. We'll do some pink ones and just jot down some of the important things happening this month. So first up, it's my mom's birthday. So my mom's birthday is on the 23rd. So I'll just write that in here. Let me write over here first. So mom's birthday. So that is on a Monday, and I had already asked her when she wants to celebrate her birthday, and she says she wants to celebrate it the weekend before, not after. So it looks like the 21st, 22nd. So I'm just gonna put on the 21st. I don't know what we're doing. We usually just go out to eat and do that kind of stuff. Whatever she wants to do. So 20, 21. I'm gonna put celebrate mom's birthday. Okay. Next is my Disney day. I do have a Disney day planned, one so far for this month. I was trying to wait to see when my mom wanted to celebrate her birthday because usually I go on the weekends to Disney. I was trying to see when she wanted to celebrate to then decide when I would go again this month. I already know I'm going on the 7th. I already have that scheduled, reserved. So this is a Disney day. I might do a 28th. I don't want to go 2 weekends in a row. I did that in January and I don't really prefer to do that, but I wanted to go with a friend. So I did. I went 2 weekends in a row. I might go the 28th. So let me put a little Disney day question mark little thing here, because I might do this day. Disney day question mark. Okay, maybe. Oh, also I'm gonna have some days off from work. So this is something I'm almost out of pink ones. Let me do some red. I am going to be taking like every other Friday off. So this is the start of that. So it looks like the 6th, I will be taking this off. No work. Now I'm taking work off, but I'm working here at home for my own stuff. So that'll be the 6th, and then the 20th. My goal is to one day just have all Fridays off. That would be ideal. So we'll see if that ever happens. I already let them know at work. That is my goal. Not this year, but down the line, that is my goal, to get down to just 4 days working a week. Because I still want to work there. Great benefits and all that. So, and I like working there. But I do want to at least have Fridays off, so that way I can focus Fridays on getting stuff done for my business and my channel and all the things that I do. So that'd be cool. Also on Fridays, a lot of small shops tend to release on Fridays, so that I can really focus on releases and stuff for the day. I don't know. I think it'll be good for me to get Fridays off. And then I'm hoping that once I have that, I will be able to like really have weekends off, because the only weekends that I really focus on not work stuff is when I go to Disney, which is why I love going to Disney. It really takes me out of my like my bubble here and forces me to just not work on things or not have to worry about work. So that's why I love going to Disney. Also, it's fun and I love the food. Trying new food. So yeah. But for now, I'm just gonna do every other Friday off. moving forward at work. So those will be my 2 days off from work. And then what else? President's Day, we don't get that off, so I'm not even going to note that. Valentine's Day, okay, I will put Valentine's Day. Not that I celebrate it or anything, but I will celebrate it in my planner. So we'll put Valentine's Day here. I like to do a spread for Valentine's Day. Okay, I think that's, oh wait, one more thing. Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday we have a barbecue at work. Oop, I wrote on my page. Oh, okay, that's okay. Barbecue at work. We're having fish tacos. They're amazing. My coworker makes amazing fish tacos with these like little chilies. Oh, it's so good. So I'm really excited for that. So that would be a don't have to bring lunch to work day kind of day. So yeah, that's what my month is looking like so far. Yeah, no other plans. Looks pretty good. It's a nice short month too, so keeping busy basically. But yeah, it looks good. Okay, so now that I've figured out done my pre-planning, I will decorate my spread in another video. And the theme for this spread, I usually love seasonal things. So whenever there's a holiday that I can throw a seasonal spread onto, I will do it. Even if I don't celebrate it sometimes, like Valentine's Day. I like the theme of Valentine's Day, like the pinks and the reds and the hearts and stuff. So I think that's cute. So I'll do that. But this one is going to be a Valentine's Day themed spread. And I'm thinking I want to use this book here, Squadgles, because there's this really cute, like there's only one page here of girls that are Valentine's themed. Well, there's like little flower or hearts, and they're wearing pink and red, so they're Valentine's-y. So I'm going to use these girls, and these are new. This is a new book from the Happy Planner called Squadgles. It's currently available on their website, so definitely check it out. So I want to use these girls to decorate my monthly spread. So this is going to be a, let me get a different colored sticker or a sticky note. This is going to be a Valentine Squadgles spread. Okay, that's going to be this theme here. And that video should be coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, so that's one theme down. Next, I need to figure out the other theme. So let me look at what I'm doing. So my mom's birthday. Her birthday's the 23rd. So the week of the 23rd, I want to do a spread. I usually like to do like spreads that remind me of the person. Something that they like my nephew, for instance. Last year, I did a spread with like flags because he loves, like, he knows all the country's flags. It is, yeah, he could just look at a flag and be like, that's this country that, honestly, I probably am like, ooh, I don't even know where that is. He also knows where all these countries are. We went on a cruise, a little story time. We went on a cruise. We were in England, and we took a cruise, and it took us to Germany and then to the Netherlands. And on the days where we have like sea days where we're just on the cruise, cruising along, they had they always had little things that you could do, shows and trivia and things like that. So there was a trivia day at a bar where you had a map of Europe, and then you had to write in all the countries for the map. Like, it had the numbers of each country, and then you had to write the name of the country next to the number. This kid, we knew that he wanted to do this trivia thing. He took this piece of paper with this map, and within 1 minute put down all the countries. He named all the countries in Europe, and then turned it in, and the lady who got it was shocked, and she checked it, and he won a medal. He won a medal. I should put a little picture of him because it's so adorable. He won a medal, and yeah, he won it. And then everybody else, like the adults who were playing it, it took them a lot longer than a minute to name all the countries. So yeah, for his birthday, the reason why I was mentioning this is because he loved flags and countries and learning all that kind of stuff. Last year, I did a spread where it was just like different flags. on the page. So I printed out the stickers, and yeah, it was a country flag sticker spread to celebrate his birthday. So it wasn't a birthday themed spread is what I'm trying to get at. Because, you know, there's only so many like balloons and presents and things, those kind of stickers that I have. I usually run out of those because I don't have a lot of them. So I now do spreads that remind me of the person. And it's really cute, at least for my nephew, because sometimes his interests, especially when he was younger, they would change every year. Like one year he was into dinosaurs, and the next year he was into then he got into like Indiana Jones or something, you know? So the theming for his changed a little bit more as he got older. Now he's a little bit more set because he's gonna be 14 this year, and what he likes. So yeah, it's cute to see the changes. So for my mom's birthday, I'm not going to do balloons and that kind of stuff. I'm just going to do something that reminds me of my mom. And this sticker book right here reminds me of my mom because this is kind of like her aesthetic that she likes. I don't know, maybe more back in the day she liked this. I don't know. This just reminds me of my mom, basically. So I'm going to do this really pretty, like moody, floral kind of spread for my mom's birthday. So this is the sticker book that I plan on using for her spread. That whole explanation just to explain that I'm going to use this book for her birthday spread. Okay, so Moody Blooms spread. Okay, so that's the week of my mom's birthday. Next, okay, my Disney day. I'm going to Disney on the 7th. So this spread, I want to use this Bo Happy spread or sticker book here. This is a new sticker book. Now I've used this book already because I made something with it, not for myself. Because sometimes I make videos and content for other purposes, and I didn't use this for me in my planner, so I want to use this for myself here. So Bo Happy, I feel like this is I like to have a Disney spread when I go to Disney, but not every week I go to Disney because sometimes I go twice a month. And I don't want to do 2 Disney spreads a month, but I'll do one Disney spread, usually a month. And this one's really cute, and it kind of is Valentine colored in a way. So I think it'll be really cool to use this one. We got Minnie and Daisy. They're like BFFs in this book. They're friends. Well, they're friends. They are friends. So I'm going to use this one. It's really, really cute. Look at these little friendship bracelets. This is another new book from the Happy Planner. So I'll do this spread for the week I go to Disney, which is this upcoming week. Okay, next spread. Let's see what other things. Oh, Valentine's Day. Okay, so that's this week right here. So obviously I'm going to do a Valentine's Day spread. And I think I want to use Seasonal Love to make that spread. This one's a really cute sticker book from Live Love Posh. It has this whole section of like stickers. So you have decorative stickers. Look how cute. These really big florals. These really cool clustered boxes. Love those. We have lots of functional stickers in here. Some fonts, some alphabet letters, washi stickers, and then also like sticker paper. So these are really cool too. So I want to use this section in this book for this, since that's the only time I could use it is on this week. So Seasonal Love. I'll put LLP. Okay, Live Love Posh. All right, so we're looking like, let me see. I got Disney here. No, yeah, the Disney Bo Happy, then Seasonal Love. This one I haven't figured out, and then this one. Okay, so all the weeks that have like a theme, or holiday, birthday, whatever, those have been figured out. Now I have this random week here where nothing really is going on. Let's see. It's President's Day. I don't get President's Day off, so I don't really. It is what it is. I don't know. I could have done a Lunar New Year, but oh, and there's Mardi Gras, but I don't have any of those stickers. I would have to print out stuff, and I don't really want to do that. So I'm going to leave this spread up to you. I have 2 sticker books that, wait, let me see. Yes, okay. So I have 2 sticker books. I feel like I might know which book you will choose though, because I kind of, yeah. Okay, so this was one that I had put up to be as one of the options for last month, which is color coordinate. This one's really cute because I love the theming. I love that there's just like 4 or 5 sheets of stickers and they kind of coordinate. This one's a little eclectic, but it does coordinate. And they're just different themes, and I could totally use any of these in here. I think any of these would be cool. Like this one would be cute because it's like pink for February. I think that would be a cute one. But honestly, any of them would work in here. Okay, so I have Color Coordinate, really good book. I think this one's still available. Possibly, maybe. Cute. And then I have this new sticker book, Cafe Coquette. This is another book that I have. Actually haven't used this one, so this might be an option too for this week here. So I could do one of these here. And then I'll throw in just another one. This is totally random. This is another book that I haven't used. I could use Current Mood. This one would just be very heavy on the quotes and stuff, but I do like all these. Like these are fun. You could like throw a bunch of those around the spread. And yeah, this is another option. I haven't used this book either. Okay, so we have Color Coordinate, Current Mood, and Cafe Coquette. So let me know which one you would prefer to see me do here. So this one's a question mark. And then I'll let you decide. And then whichever one gets the most like in the comments, I will do that one for this week. Okay, so let me know. I think those were all the weeks though. Is it? Okay, so I have Squad Goals, Valentine Squad Goals, Bow Happy, the Disney one, Seasonal Love, question mark, and Moody Blooms for my mom's birthday. It's a nice short month, which is good because I believe last month was 5 spreads. Yeah, this month is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. Okay, so last month is 5 spreads. Also, I'm going to be doing a video, but it's going to be on my Patreon where I do this. I want to start getting back onto doing my January currently section where I memory keep on here, but I'm just going to do it as an exclusive video on my Patreon. So if you join over there, you'll be able to see it. But this one, I want to do a full flip through. Once I decorate this, I'll have a full flip through of my planner. I want to start doing that again too, because I've been really bad about that too. And just like showing you my completed spreads and stuff. So that's in the works. I'm going to be better about it this year about doing that. Honestly, having these two like every other weekend is going to help me a lot, because I think before in the past I was able to juggle what I was doing because I was just doing content. I was just making content for my channel, making content for like affiliate stuff. But then I added in shop stuff, and now it's like I need to see more time. So I think that's why I've been struggling keeping up with stuff, because I'm just running out of time. I was able to manage it before, but not so much anymore. So these having every other weekend or every other Friday off is really gonna help. I think it's really gonna help. Okay, so that's it. That's it for my setup for now. Yeah, let me know down in the comments what you would like to see me do, which sticker book you want to see. Maybe you have these books and you just like need some inspiration, so a video will help with one of these. So yeah, let me know. But that's gonna be it. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.